what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad, here on the Germanly Tuning YouTube channel. I'm here with Will.
How's it going?
We just flashed his car with the Get Stage, probably 3 I guess we can call it, K04 tune. I really haven't decided if it's gonna be 2 plus or 3, but you know, 3 is probably the way to go. K04, and we're gonna go out for our first drive, see how things go, and we'll go from there. Yeah, he's got the Akrapovic. I don't know. I always said Akrapovic, and then I guess that's not right, but it's Akrapovic, right?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know.
Isn't that the correct terminology for it? But anyway, yeah, it's full sick exhaust. And
someone tell us.
Yeah, exactly. I know. Yeah, comment down below what the actual pronunciation is with like the hyphens and all that. But anyway, yeah, it does sound really, really good. It's hard to kind of get through the video how good the exhaust sounds, but it does sound good. So pops and bangs will be 3,000 and above when you let off the pop, and then if you lightly tap and hold the gas, it'll pop more. Okay. So if you don't want it to pop much, you just keep your foot off the gas and then it decells. But if you want to get some pops, you know, like 3,500, just lightly press it and it'll start popping. Okay. To get the flames to happen, we'll go through that too. Yeah, little pops are awesome. Yeah, so flames, you get to about 4,500 RPM, then you let off the gas, and then you lightly press and you hold the gas pedal on decel. It's a little weird to get used to because you're like not used to pressing the gas while it's decelling. Yeah. But that's what'll get the flames to actually start, and then once it does that, it'll hold the flames. So,
gotcha.
I mean, we can mess with that too. Right? We'll just put a few miles on it, see how things go, and do a log.
Right here.
Yeah, you're good. No traction at all.
No. Blows the tires off. I mean, stretch tires.
Yeah, for sure. Tunnel time. Turn off the traction control. Here we go. Yeah. It's feeling good. Dude, you got 80K on the laser? That's awesome. He's got a laser S4.
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah. I didn't realize the mileage was that low. That's awesome. B7 A4 K04. Man, I really don't know who'd be able to do custom tune for that car. Sorry about that. So traction control, if you leave it on, it'll basically cut power until you either get off the throttle or it sees it not breaking traction again. So if you turn the traction control off, like it is now where the lights turned on over there, I don't know if you can see, then the ECU doesn't intervene as much. It still has a slight amount of intervention. Volkswagen doesn't really allow it to be fully turned off unless you maybe unplug the ABS module. But This thing pulls hard. This would definitely pull on my car for sure. sandbag my tune so my car is faster. And I make sure that the car is really good. But dude, this thing rips. It's hard to get a judge on video like how fast the car is, but it definitely pulls good. Ooh, that's a flame. Dude, it sounds so good. That was a huge flame too.
Oh, was it?
When you let off and popped?
Oh, it did?
Oh yeah.
Cool. I tried no lift shifting both ways that time.
Yeah?
I'm not afraid anymore.
Awesome. No, it sounded good.
I was expecting it to sound like Lewis's car, and it doesn't, which I actually
No. Yeah, it won't like pop crazy, Nick.
Okay.
No, it just cuts throttle, you know. So
yeah.
you don't. But yeah, dude, this thing sounds awesome.
The Akrapovic.
Yeah, Akrapovic,
whatever it is. I love the way this exhaust sounds.
Yeah, it sounds really good.
Definitely not the cheapest option, but I got
for sure.
very lucky with a kid selling it. That's the reason why I was able to get my hands on it.
Oh, dude,
I got it for $650,
Oh, dude, that's
$750.
half off, at least.
I think it's more than that. I think they go for $1,800 or something like that.
Yeah, dude, that's crazy.
Ridiculous.
But it sounds great.
It does, and it's a proven company. You know, aside from just the Volkswagen world, I mean, motorcycles, any kind of racing, road racing, I mean, they're one of the leading brands for sure.
Oh, for sure.
The engineering behind it's phenomenal.
Yeah. Here. Got the Euro taillights going with the Euro fog. It's sick. Dude, that's awesome.
Yep, thanks again for everything, man.
Oh, dude, you're very welcome, man. Appreciate it
much.
Yeah,
it's
dude,
awesome. Pumped. Couldn't be happier.
I'm stoked to hear it. All right, guys, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to go follow Will. I'll put his Instagram down in the description, and also for his photography Instagram, because it's awesome. I mean, his photography is awesome. But cool, appreciate it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.